The Canadian Agricultural Partnership encourages competitiveness, prosperity, and sustainability in Canada's agri-food and agri-products sector. Jacob Murray and his family own and operate Topsy Farms on Ontario's Amherst Island. With 500 breeding ewes, the sheep farmers are working with the partnership to turn waste wool into value-added products, including pelleted organic fertilizer made from sheep belly wool.
Topsy applied for partnership funding so that we could do a value-added product with the waste wool that comes from the shearing process. This is the wool from the belly and from the butt. It's contaminated with dirt and with poop and with hay and lots of other stuff. There isn't anything to do with this, and we wanted to find a purpose for our belly wool as well as for other farms too. Part of our farm philosophy is to use everything as best we can, and doing a value-added product with the belly wool is the next most optimal thing.
A self-professed ideas guy, Murray credits the Growing Your Farm Profits workshop he attended with helping him successfully develop and launch the product.
The planning phase was the most difficult part for me personally, because it went against my nature. I like to come up with an idea and then achieve the thing right away. The Grow Your Farm Profits program forced me to slow down. And in retrospect, that was a really good thing, because the achievable benchmarks and the process by which you get to the finish of the application had a lot of value in it. And I know that our project and the development of this fertilizer was better because we had to go through that process.
Murray explains how they now use wool that was once discarded to manufacture pelleted organic fertilizer.
The process of turning raw belly wool into pellets took some time for us to learn. It was going right from the shearing process. The wool goes into the bag, we store that, and then get the machine, run the stuff through, and this is where the experimentation came in. There's consistency and moisture content and figuring out, did we need a binding agent? There was a whole lot, and we've now developed this enough where we know what we're doing. And now we have a commercial product that can go into garden centers, and people in the city can grow fruits and vegetables more effectively and organically in a way that they couldn't before. We have introduced a new product to the marketplace because of this partnership.
Murray says demand for the farm's Sally's Garden brand fertilizer has exceeded expectations. He feels the product not only offers opportunity for his family, but also for other sheep farmers across the country.
For Topsy Farms, the fertilizer project has been an enormous success. We introduced a new product and we've sold out. Everything we have made, we've sold out. So we're ready to now grow that and expand at scale. We've had Sally's Garden fertilizer being used in every province and territory across the country. And for us, that makes us so happy that we can now start to expand at scale. Introducing this new product to the marketplace was a thing we would not have been able to do without this partnership. Topsy has been able to conceive of and launch a product, and we now have a proof of concept and sales data that we can use to now scale to a place that we're comfortable with. We're looking for retail partners who are willing to put this and try it out in their stores right across the country. Our goal is to scale up. We want to not just be selling our own belly wool, but we want to be a marketplace for all of the other sheep farms out there who need a spot to put their wool, so they're not taking it out to the back field and just opening it up, so that they're not throwing it out.
The Canadian Agricultural Partnership is a 5-year federal, provincial, territorial initiative. Cost share funding is administered to producers by the Ontario Soil and Crop Improvement Association.